The Snail in the Rain. A contest was put on by the Queen in spring. The Snail and the Dog with a Tail went to the start mark. The aim was not to fail, but to finish first. The main road was straight, but full of bumps. Then the rain and hail fell from up high. The road was wet. The Dog fell on a nail stuck in the road. He was hurt and had to stop. The Snail felt bad. He went to pick up the Dog. The Dog was in pain. The Snail put the Dog on his shell and went to the train. The train took them to the end of a rail track. They went to the finish together.